At Regency, we believe a wood fire should do more than heat your home. It should define it. Introducing the new Bondi series of freestanding wood fires, a collection that brings together contemporary design, intelligent engineering, and the performance you expect from Regency. Designed for modern living, the Bondi series delivers a refined aesthetic with purposeful detail, clean lines, balanced proportions, a generous viewing window that showcases the natural beauty of a real wood flame. It's a statement piece without feeling overstated. Available in 2 sizes, the Bondi and the larger Bondi XL, this range has been created to suit the way Australians live today. The Bondi is ideal for smaller to medium living areas, bringing warmth and ambiance into everyday moments and up to 250 square metres. For larger open plan spaces, the Bondi XL offers greater capacity and output, delivering powerful, efficient heat for more than 300 square metres of living space. Because true comfort isn't just about flame, it's about performance. Every Bondi fire is engineered to maximise heat efficiency while maintaining clean, controlled combustion. That means dependable warmth, lower emissions, and the confidence of Regency craftsmanship behind every unit. With 5 different base options available, the Bondi series offers flexibility to complement your interior vision. Elevated or grounded, minimal or architectural. Each base transforms the look and feel of the fire, allowing you to create a centerpiece that feels considered, cohesive, and uniquely yours. The Bondi series, contemporary design, 2 sizes, 5 base options, efficient heat for your whole space, backed by Regency, built to perform, built to last.